Hello friends, hope you are fine. So today we are going to draw a cute cone ice cream. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Be sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification to be alerted of new crafty fun videos and drawing when they come out. So let's jump right in. Hope you are gonna follow along with me. You have something to draw with and some paper in front of you. This is gonna be really simple lesson. We are gonna start by drawing a rainbow line right in the middle of the paper. Okay, so we are gonna start right here. We are gonna go up, over and down. um, there we go. Now we are going to draw bottom of our ice cream scoop, and we are going to draw little U shapes that are connected, and this is going to be fun too. Now we are going to draw the cone, so we are going to draw a line that come down. We are going to make V shape, and then it can come back like that. Now we are going to add a funny face right to the ice cream scoop. We are going to draw a circle right here. We could draw one right here, and I am going to draw another one way over here, and let's draw those small circle inside and top right on both circles, and then we are going to draw a little smaller circle down on bottom left. Then we are going to color in big circle and leave those little circle white. Let's draw a smile right in between his eyes or her eyes. So our cone ice cream is completed. Let's do some decoration. I hope you enjoyed the drawing of a cute cone ice cream. For more crafty fun videos and drawing, be sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification to be alerted of new drawings and crafty fun videos when they come out. See you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.